Feed the birds, la-da. Breadcrumbs, breadcrumbs, breadcrumbs from a bag. Come and get it. Oh, poor little Tuppence. You didn't get any, did you? Here you go. Tuppence! Hey, that wasn't very nice. Oh, poor little Tuppence. You're wasting away. Aha! Idea! Ta-da! Your own personal bird feeder! A variety of artisan breadcrumbs, natural honey drip, citrus-infused water, and a frozen yogurt bar. Aw, you're welcome. Tuppence, what happened? Hey, beat it, you dirty furries! Aw, here you go, pal. Phew, that was a close one. Come on, let's get some food in you. Hey, look up here, look up here! I made that bird feeder just for you. We can't let them win. We won't let them win. Hey there, you a hungry bird? Well, come on down to Birdland. Soak your feathers in our hot tub. Enjoy the chocolate fountain. Gorge on fresh baked bread. Watch today's hottest action movies. Oh, boy! To all who come to this happy place, welcome. Birdland is your land. Tuppence? That ought to teach those bullies. Though your words are simple and few, Tuppence, Tuppence,